Ka Skill Mela wa arsngi wa penman da ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society hapo yong ka Labor Department ka jela ne ka sngi da Sdang ko hakiang nang ba Government College Auditorium Jowai we da wan wai ya ka da MLA ka Jowai wa man le ka mu chairman MCCL Wyrta Miki Shilla hey lang u Executive Director MSSDS ka ADC West Giant Hill District wa ka principal yong ka kiang nang ba Government College. U Executive Director Shiwan Awasti da pentip u wa ka Skill Meghalaya da penman ya ka hapo ka Skill Meghalaya program ka wada Sdang da u Menteri Rengba ka jela u Konrad K Sangma ha u wisu yong u newsnem. Da pentip u wa ka Skill Meghalaya to ka wada mang wa penplia yei sam wa penclur yei sengki we wa ekre ya ki khynroo ha ka jela. Kani ka thong kre kam ko kunjo ya palat chilak ngut ki khynroo hagi san snem wawan. Cho de pentip u wa hapo khynroo benai wada Sdang ya ka da emle pauso teli ki sen e sikai wada timit ka sorkar wo sikai ya ki arhajar san spa khande pausan ngut ki khynroo khyllood hagi khatso benta wali pausan jaj ki treats hagi so pauso teli ki training centers hagi khat ar district. Wyrta Miki Shilla ha wa e yei klam da ongu wa ka skill development na mo wa pen plia ya isam man iwa kam ha wa pynkupbor ya ki khynroo ka jela khnang yo ye ki uyen he yong ki dehi ikjan da banjor ule ye wa kam wa penchlur ya ki khynroo wa penku ki ye khayi pateng ha ka thain de wa sengki ki pen ha chnong wa ka jela. Kani ka Skill Mela to ka wa arsngi ka wa khurun ha ki lebenta kam wo penyajan wa ki wa thokre wa ki wa ekre lengba ka job fair wo elat ya ki wa sengki wo penyorong ya ki tiar wa da chna ha kani ka thain lengba ka hats bazar we kam jo le wo pentip ya ki khynroo hajrong ki esikai ki wa ye ki wo chimbenta we kam mon wo cha sikai ki hawro so pausanteli ki dukan ki wa kanthop ya ar pausanteli ha ka hat bazar hey wada penyo ye ki tiar wada chna na kani ka thain ki wa cha sikai ha ka Skill Meghalaya u cha sikai ki kam hai chna bam food processing wa kiwi we da bo le ye ki marbam wa chna ha gi hat bazar the chi pautali ki dukan ha ka job fair section hey wada chi pautali ki thau ekre na ka jela the one ki kam ha ki kam wa yato wa ka banking IT hospitality on arm security insurance, sales, services, automobile, wa ka healthcare. Ki bacha sikai ha ka Skill Meghalaya hari lom jaintia le da chimbenta ki ha ka ni ka job fair wo register wo yo akre. Ki witawan ki dukan to yong ki wa sikai ki wa da timit da ka sorkar. Ka MSSDS da chimkhia ka wo penku ya ka sap ki khna we da penman ko ya kam ka ni ka Skill Mela wo pynkupbor ya ki khynroo ha ki wi ki thau ka jella.
We need skill. And I want to clarify here because most of us don't realize that we just don't need to know skills. Not knowing is not enough, but we need to master it. We need to master it. Then only we'll be able to survive. Because I know most of you, especially the participant here, this is not the only program you have come to train. There were many programs you have attended, you have been trained. But after learning that, you stop. Then you change to another training, to another program, even the skill. But I'd like to request you, please stick to one skill. Please stick to one skill and master it. Because, like I used to say from time to time, our people are very talented. They know everything. But they don't master themselves. That is the main problem. So that's why I want these students who are here today to please master yourself. And I'd like to request the team of the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society when you start anything, I hope this time also, you have to do some survey. Because, like I said, there were many programs. This DDU GKY. Just recently I met some students who went for training to Guwahati. And after their training, they have to go to Delhi, to Mumbai, to Bangalore to get a job. There is no point in that. So that's why I like to request to please do some survey before you start any program.